Little photography in the rain. This is Adjust Your Focus at my favorite hangout. Have to admit, I kind of did a call that's more like hog calling, and it got resolved, so I don't care. I don't want to stand out here and get my phone all wet. But I wanted to check on him. Why not? I think he's just adjusted those back legs to pee. I'm not sure there. Well, that is Smooth. Hey, Smooth, come on. Come on over. You're okay. Sometimes you regret what you asked for. Oh, I see all the other ones over there. They're way out there. Who doesn't love fall colors? Beautiful trees here. Yeah, we're talking about a lot of rain. Not just a little rain. They're both soaked. But I'm not yet. That's my goal, is not to get soaked. I went out to make a sports book. We're going to see how it turns out. Smooth isn't going to accommodate me today, I believe. Got a few of them out there. I see a small one laying down. I see a little head sticking up. 3 of them standing. He's looking good. He got up for me. Those 2 bucks were laying down in the tall grass at the second tier there, the really thick tall grass, and they came out. Guess I called them.